All right, today we're going to talk about how email marketing will change in 2021.
So the big thing that I believe is going to change in 2021 is you can start actually making actions within your email. Here's what I mean by this. If I'm selling you a sweater, if you're watching the video version of Marketing School, Eric just put on a sweater. Hence, I picked that as an example. And if I'm a sweater company, I email out saying, hey, I got this special offer. What kind of sweater are you wearing, Eric?
Lululemon.
I got this special offer on this Lululemon sweater or jacket. Click here to buy. Typically, what ends up happening is they click, goes to the Lululemon site or any site, and they can either purchase or not purchase. But what if on that email, literally in your Gmail inbox or Outlook or whatever it may be, you can just be like, yep, I'm a small size. Yep, I'll add one or two, check out, and boom, you can check out right then and there and even put in your credit card in the email or automatically detects you as a user. You don't have to put in your credit card, but you're purchasing within the email instead of going to the website. And that's already starting to happen. There's one company that's rolling it out and they're starting to roll it out with planes. So like when you get that email on, hey, do you want to change your seat? You can change it within the email instead of actually going to the website. But I believe it's going to happen in commerce and I believe that's going to happen in 2021.
Oh my God. Yeah, if not 2021, for sure soon. You think about the conversion rate lift you're going to see across the board there. And then if it's linked with your Apple Pay or whatever, boom.
Yeah.
Ideally, you don't even have to touch Apple Pay. It's just boom, it's faster. But I'm going to take the position from my position from the Substack point of view. We've talked about the importance or the rise, not the importance, the rise of people starting their own newsletters using Substack. So you have a lot of writers, TechCrunch writers, Verge writers starting their own email newsletter. And so what I think is interesting is you're going to see a lot of these people creating a bunch of free content, but then ultimately their goal is to funnel you into their paid newsletter subscription. And I think what you're going to see too is you're going to see a lot of these people, because I subscribe to so many email newsletters, bundling them together. And I've already subscribed to a bundle of the best writers. I think that's going to be interesting. And I think there's just too many subscriptions out there right now. So you're going to be forced to bundle. And I think, let's say Neil and I were talking about SEO. Maybe we'd partner with someone on the email marketing side, and then we'll partner with someone on the paid media side. And we'll have this giant kind of bundled list where you get like a summary every week, and we'll just charge like a combined rate or something like that. But the idea here is we're also cross-pollinating our audiences. So Neil, anything else?
Nope, that's it.
All right, that is it for today, everyone. Marketingschool.io/pro, $1 for 14 days. Get into our community. Learn more about, just learn more about how we're using circle.so, which is the community platform we're using. That's it for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.